right, we are here at the Ramp Super Bowl tailgate. So Ramp's doing this big stunt with Brian from The Office. We're basically doing like a lookalike contest with Brian from The Office. So everyone's coming here in suits, bald caps. They have a huge, crazy setup here. And we got 3 creators coming, creating content. So today I'm gonna be showing you all behind the scenes of how it goes down. All right, we're doing a little skit with the corporate dudes, their corporate comedy page. And I don't even know what I'm doing, but they just told me to do this, so. Ready? Yep. Dude, get the up. We gotta leave in 10.
Oh shit. What time is it?
It's late.
Alright, one of those two should work.
Yeah, the first one's probably better.
Alright, we are here in San Francisco. We're all getting ready for the Ramp tailgate. They're doing a big stunt with Kevin from The Office, so we're all kind of dressing up in suits and bald caps, which we have somewhere. We're here with the corporate dudes. We got Chris somewhere over here, getting ready, moisturizing his face or something.
Oh yeah, get dry face, guys. Dry face.
All right, let's see who else we got. We got John, aka Ari Gold. Got Gav, doing a little skit for Ramp. Oh yeah, here's the bald cap. I'll put this on just for this, but.
There we go.
And that's it, and then I'll never wear this again.
You don't know that.
You don't know that.
You might look like that in 15 years, bro.
I heard if you have hair when you hit 30, that you won't go bald. I heard that. I don't know how true that is.
31 maybe. We're still hanging
Yeah.
in
Oh,
there.
you're young. Let's go. This guy's gonna pick us up and be like, "What the f is going on?" All right, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the green room inside the firehouse, which is cool. I won't try to disturb anybody, but this is where Brian was. They're all trying to dress him up. Everyone's getting ready, makeup artists, all that stuff. I won't interrupt, but it's pretty cool. All right, first creators we got up are the corporate dudes. They do corporate humor content. What are you guys excited about?
I'm excited to be in a suit for the first time. I'm feeling pretty cool so far. I don't know about you.
Yeah, it feels more professional this way.
But yeah, we've gotten him on some brand deals, and we paid him basically for the art, so he made art for the client. But he created a video. I really wanted the video because I'm in the influencer side.
Right.
But it's like we would have never bought from him if he never had a following.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yo, Gavin, I was gonna ask you, this tall guy talking to all the Bryans with the beard and the hoodie.
Yeah.
Is he a football player? You recognize him?
He looks kind of like a baseball player.
He looks like he should be somebody. Imagine being an extra like one day and you get this call, just the randomest shit ever.
I know, right?
Hey, good to meet you.
It's been a pleasure.
Yes.
Good to meet you. Pleasure. Tommy John. Tommy. Fucking guy, give me the hi-hat. Now he's a big deal. He's got the NFL guy. I'm old news. Nah.
They use Bentley's, and you get to use distribution across all networks. You don't have to like a concert.
I got very lucky, very early. I knew what I wanted to do, and I pursued that one thing, which has now led me to something else.
Everything is branded out here, including coconuts.
Oh no, of course. I have them in my backpacks.
Are you guys still planning on trying to head out somewhere else? Or?
Yeah, I think we're doing it now.
Scumbags. Every one of them that I know. Seven toes put the jerk off. Doesn't have to take work off. Baby, I got him, man. Run away fast as you can.
Dude, wow, well done, well done. All right, we just wrapped up the career ladder thing. Now we're gonna go check on Brandon from Poor Boy to see how the coffee's going. And then watch you don't get hit by a truck. Lots of moving parts. All right, Brandon, what's going on? How you feeling?
Man, feeling good. We got power, so this machine's heating up, and I'm excited to serve some coffees.
We're here on the go, like everything's good timing-wise?
A little far behind, but you know, we're all right. There's not a lot of people here right now, so hopefully we can get going here soon.
I think they're opening the floodgates in 15.
We'll be ready.
We'll be ready. All right, cool. Thank you, man.
Oh yeah.
Gene! Hey, what's up?
Oh my God, I know all of you.
What's the priority?
What I will say, whenever I'd walk around downtown with them, every single business we went in front of, they'd be like, "What up, Aris?"
Yeah, I've been tying a lot of ties today. Okay, so this one's tied. You want me to tie yours?
Sure, thank you.
Tying a bunch of ties.
All snap it to you. I'll be your offensive line. All right, come on, let's go do one. Come on. Let's go to the field.
What's up, guys? Justin Pugh, 11-year NFL vet. I've been in the huddle with the GOATs. Eli Manning, you name it, Super Bowl champions. The name of the game is keeping the defense on their toes with the hard count. Have you seen hard counts before online?
Yes, sir. Rodgers' realm does it perfectly. Aaron Rodgers, best hard count in the game.
I'll be your O-line, you be the quarterback. Bring it home.
Let's do it.
Bring it home. All right, here we go. Grenade team! Grenade teams are hot! They're hot! Hey, can! Watch Mike! Move the A! Hot! Time out! That was what we needed. That's what we needed. Always locked in. That was the best cadence I've ever seen. Hands down. That's the best life of all time right here. Just a few, man.
Guys, we are here thanks to Ramp. Give it up for Ramp. This is insane. Look at everything. The most famous accountant in television history. Do we have fans of The Office here? Oh yeah, we do.
Let's try to get you guys volunteers on the field. Oh yeah.
This wouldn't be a Brian party without a little chili, would it? Who loves chili? We're gonna do a chili race because guess what? These chili pots are on the wrong side of the field. So we gotta get them to the other side. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on, we got one more. Unless Brian's good.
Let's go!
That's it. Brian, take victory. You know what? Please welcome Justin Pugh.
This is perfect right here. We got the suit, we got the hat. All right, come on. All right, we need a football. We need a football back. All right, you're gonna hold it.
Oh, I have no idea what this is.
Brian's signature shot.
Okay.
By the way, he
You
went
gotta stare
at
the
it
other
way
way
harder than
and
he
try
did
and
in
make it.
rehearsal.
Stare the other way.
That's gonna be coming up soon, so you know, look your best if you
Oh,
haven't done it
dang.
yet.
All right, so they got the food trucks serving chili. So we're gonna get some chili, get some lunch. Check it out. They're thinking through all the details here. Dude, did you get this for taking part in the game?
Yeah, dude.
That's cool.
So hilarious.
I feel like he's been sniffing it too. He's like, it smells.
Dude, I was telling you, this ball gap like really matched his skin, and it looks like he's actually fucking ball.
Thank you.
Can I do a cup of chili too?
All right, so we got the chili. Yo, to be honest, I don't think I ever had chili before, so this is my first time having chili. I don't really know what to expect here. That's pretty good. All right, and that is a wrap on the Ramp tailgate. Hopefully you guys saw a little behind the scenes of what goes on at these like big marketing activations, these experimental marketing things. I run a B2B influencer marketing agency. We did help with some of the creators here, so it's cool to see the behind the scenes there. And that's a wrap. We got the Super Bowl tonight. I'm gonna go eat some food.